Hey, what's up? I'm Aaron Cartier and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello lovelies, welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 1-year review on the Prada Brique bag. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I got this bag last year in 2020 and I've had it for over a year now, and I thought it would be great to come on here and kind of do a review, show the bag, show how it's holding up after a year. I am a person who wears my luxury products. I don't like let them sit around, let them collect dust. I probably am not the most or the best person at, keeping them up and stuff, because I do throw them around. I run around with them. I do all types of stuff. I put all types of things that probably should not be in there, but I am a person who believes, if you're gonna buy it, you're gonna spend the money, you need to get the wear out of it. You need to put it to use. Just don't let it sit there collecting dust and things like that. So I definitely use mine to the ground for sure. Like I said, I've had this bag for over a year. I just wanted to come on here and kind of just show the bag, show what it looks like for people who may be interested in possibly buying a bag like this. Now the exact one that I have, I didn't even see it on the website anymore. I have the mini version. The regular size I saw was out of stock, but they do have a brand new version that has a little Prada tag on the front that you see on a lot of like handbags, on the side of boots, on the side of jackets, things like that. So they have that up there now, so that's probably the one that is going to be up on the website going forward. But I'm sure you could probably find it somewhere being resold by somebody, or somebody reselling it, or another website having it somewhere. It's always ways to find things, so it's probably still out there somewhere on the internet for purchase. If you are new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is Aaron Cartier. I make fashion and lifestyle videos. I upload a video every Sunday, so please make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, become a part of the Diamond Squad. I would love to have you. Make sure you turn on that notification bell as well, so that way you are notified every Sunday when I make a new video. You don't want to miss out. You never know, it may be a vlog, it may be a fashion product, it may be a lifestyle video. So just make sure that you have that notification bell turned on so you do not miss out. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back and checking me out. I thoroughly appreciate it. You do not have to come back and watch me again, but yet here you are. Also, make sure that you do give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know to continue to create content and that you are enjoying the videos that I am making for you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this 1-year review of the Prada Brique bag. I want to look that up and make sure I'm saying that correct, because I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Alright, so I believe it is the Brique. I'm not sure. On the website, it's the Brique Saffiano leather crossbody bag, and like any luxury item that you ever buy, it comes in a nice little dust bag, the Prada dust bag right here. As you see, this is what it comes in, this is what it looks like. And like I said, I always keep mine in the dust bag, even though I do wear mine down to the bone and I'm not the best person with keeping things up. I get my use and I do what I gotta do with them, and that's just on period. So when you take it out, this is what it looks like. It's just a little rectangular shaped bag. It has the Prada symbol on there, and I love the silver detailing on this. I feel like the detailing is amazing. Like when you see the light hit it, it just shines, it just shimmers, it just sparkles. And I feel like this is made out of real metal. It already has some scratches here on the front of the logo piece, because like I said, I am someone who wears my bags down to the ground. But yes, this is the mini size. They did have a regular size one, and when I actually purchased this, I thought I was buying the regular size, and when it came, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so small, so little, but it's so cute. I've gotten so many compliments on this when I've traveled for work. I have taken it with me every now and again. When I'm out and about, I get compliments on it all the time. But yeah, the zippers, you just zip it on around like this, and it do has the 2 toggles on the side because you can wear it as a crossbody, and the straps come inside the bag, which I feel like any bag you ever purchase, the straps come inside the bag. And what I like about this strap is it is adjustable, so you can have it any type of length that you want to have it. And I just love how the leather feels. Like you can tell this is real genuine leather, because this has definitely become a little more loose and a little more, I guess, flowy over the years because it was very, very, very like structured and very like, you know, sturdy or strong, I should say. But now that it's been used so much, it's kind of a little more flimsy, which I actually enjoy because I love to swing my bags around. But let me just go ahead and try to put the claps on here so that you can see what it's giving when you want to wear it as a crossbody, Miss Mamas. And also, this bag is a men's bag. If you go onto the Prada website, you're going to find this in the men's section, but I feel like this is a very unisex bag. I feel like they should have a unisex section or a non-gender conforming section. I don't know, because I feel like anybody could wear this bag, just not men, not just women, just anybody under the sun. It's very universal. It's very unisex. It's made for everybody. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the strap on. And I'm tall, so I'm someone who has the strap all the way like down to me. And I'm not going to stand all the way up, but it's down to like right here. It's like really, really, really low on me. If you can see that, like it's down to my hip. And I love my bags to be down there because, like I said, I'm tall. So I like my bags to kind of be on my hip area. And this is what the inside looks like. Let me see what I have in here. I have just a receipt, but this is what the inside looks like. It's the standard inside of the bag, and then you have a little zipper here just in case you may want to put some coins. I don't think I ever used that part in there, but you also have the Prada logo on the inside. And this bag, like I said, it is the mini, so you're not going to be able to fit a whole lot of stuff in here. Usually I put my phone in here. I might put like a lip chap, a lip gloss in there. I might put a wallet in there and my keys, and that's probably as much as I'm going to fit in there. When I do try to take my vlogging camera, I can't have my vlogging camera and my phone in here at the same time. Well, I can when it has nothing in there like this. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is my vlogging camera. So I can fit my vlogging camera in there. If I have my wallet near me, I will try to find that. But yeah, you can fit probably another wallet if it's small and compact, but that's as much as you're going to get, and that's as much as it's going to give. And it does add a little weight to it, you know, the more stuff you put in there. But I love this bag. It's been holding up so great. Like I said, I've had it for almost a year, and it does have like some scratches in the front here on the logo piece there, and then at the bottom, I think I did get, I don't know what this is. It's like, I don't know if this is makeup or what, but they tell you in the instructions, don't put like, you know, products with oil and things like that, which I've done. I put like travel fragrances on the inside of here and stuff like that. Like, I don't listen. I just be doing whatever I want to do. But I love this little bag. I have my eye on another Prada bag, which I'm hoping to get that for my birthday next month, a little birthday gift to me. I've been having my eye on this bag for such a long time, and if I do get it, I will definitely come on here and do an unboxing with you guys, because I just feel like that's just going to be an amazing moment, because I've had my eye on this bag since like last year, the year before that, I don't know, but I love this little bag here. Now, the ones that they have on the website now are a little more expensive. This bag was, I believe it was $1,600 when I bought it. The bags on there now that they have are about almost $2,000 because they're made of a different leather and stuff like that, which I also need to read the description for those of you who may want to go out there and try to purchase the newer version. I'll insert a picture of the one I have in the more newer versions on the screen, just so you can see the difference of what I'm talking about. But let's really quickly get into the description. I don't know why I didn't do that first. Alrighty, so the description says, Saffiano leather bandolier bag with metal triangle logo. The bag has 2 outside zipper pockets. A leather shoulder strap completes the accessory. And then Saffiano leather, adjustable Saffiano leather shoulder strap, polished steel finished metal hardware, 2 zipper pockets on the outside, Prada logo lining, logo inside, and enamel triangle logo on the outside. So yeah, that's pretty much what it's giving. So if you are a Prada fan like me, I think Prada is slowly becoming one of my favorite designers and my favorite luxury designers. I was very much so into like Louis Vuitton and stuff like that, but I love Prada now. It was actually my first designer purchase. So ever since then, me and Prada have just had an inseparable bond that I just cannot seem to let go. It's just so classic and timeless, and I don't know, and modern to me, if that makes sense. Alrighty guys, so that is going to do it for my Prada Saffiano leather crossbody bag 1-year review. I hope you did enjoy this. I hope I kind of gave you some insight if this is a bag that you are thinking about purchasing for yourself, purchasing for your boyfriend or your girlfriend, whatever. I hope I did provide a little insight so you can know what you're getting into. If you are someone who is lucky, which I'm not, and has an actual product store in your state or your city, be sure to go in there and check it out. You know, touch, feel, smell, live, breathe, and see if it's really the bag for you, because you know when you're buying a bag, it just has to really speak to you and be calling your name and being like, me, pick me, purchase me. So make sure you go and check it out. Like I said, go into the store and see if it's the bag for you, because you know we just have to have a connection with our bags. And that is going to do it for me today. I will see you guys next week for another brand new video here on my channel. And like I always say in every video, be sure to shine bright like a diamond. Bye.